I tried to come on being mad, but I can't. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Back to normal. We're back in the car.
Yeah.
Can anyone guess where we're going? If you had one guess, just one, where do you think we're going? And it's for me too, not for him.
I can care less.
We're going to the hardware store! No, we're going to Starbucks.
Home Depot?
No, I tried to throw you guys off.
She threw me off.
Anyway, yeah, we're going to Starbucks. And then we're going to IKEA.
Yep, because I'm moving. In a month. Ish. Into her house.
Because we're getting married.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I got my wedding dress today. Well, like, I already had my wedding dress. What I mean is, like, it was altered and everything, so I got to take it home today. It's beautiful. Oh, yeah, and he got his wedding day plugs, because that's, like, the color of our
Hers too.
wedding. Yeah, and
Hers
we got
in.
mine. We're going to be matching.
Yeah, they're pretty freaking sweet.
Yeah, they are pretty freaking sweet. And he got this new purple shirt. Look at it. Look at it. Oh God, we're moving. Could you look? The sun is burning the heck out of my arm right now. It is so hot.
The sacrifice.
It is.
The sacrifice.
How committed I am to this vlog. It's probably the steadiest you've ever seen the frame.
Hopefully.
And while it's happening, my arm is burning off. Second, probably third degree burns. Right?
It's because she's so pale as well.
No, it's not. I'm getting
I
tanner.
got my Starbucks. So I'm happy for the day.
Is that what I look like when I drink it or when I walk? We're at IKEA. Woo!
Ooh. This is the first time I've ever been to IKEA, so this is...
Oh God, we're gonna get hit! That must be what you do when you come here. You scream. That's what it seems like. We're just trying to fit in.
It's like it's 6 feet up.
What? What?
Like the shortest escalator I've ever seen. We're being healthy. Is there some type of map?
There has to be some type of directory. Oh my God, there is! And measuring tape. This is crazy!
Never been to a store where you need a map. And you get a pencil and... Is it a yard? Just call it a yardstick.
Okay guys, so remember how we had said that we're moving? Well, we actually... Oh wait.
Oh, good job.
Hey guys! Remember how I said that we're moving? Well, we actually found a place that we think we might get. It's pretty nice. Can you see?
Oh my God.
Look, here's the kitchen.
You have to look at...
I mean, so I feel like I was maybe looking for something a little nicer, a little more space, but this like is okay.
I think this works. It's got 3 walls and then a gigantic room.
Yeah. And look at the view. View for days. Do you see that? So what do you guys think? Should we buy it?
We have plenty of parking.
Plenty of parking? Just kidding! We're still at IKEA! Dave called. Gotta call him. Senior pictures. College campus tour. And Kim, don't forget about suka practice.
Like that color? I've never been to a store that has a cafeteria in it. To me, it's ridiculous. What do you think?
It's smelled good.
I don't
Actually,
think so.
it didn't.
Yes, I don't think so. We're here. We want to go here. We don't know how to get there. How do we get there? That elevator? I think it's an elevator. Elevator? That's an elevator. There's stairs. Stairs?
Stairs.
Stairs. You got a goddamn daycare.
What is that?
There's a daycare in the store.
A daycare.
Called Smallland. That's what it was
Because
called.
we're in Sweden.
It's called Smallland.
Småland.
Daycare. A daycare in the store. Oh my god. I'm sure a bunch of you people have actually been
Yeah.
been
We're not
IKEA.
even
This is just so astonishing to me. I just don't go places, especially stores like this. Bah. It's just lights. Just a bunch of lights. These people give me a dirty look. Do they know what vlogging is? God. Vlogging here.
Did their look like that?
Yep. Yeah, they're just magazine file, set of 2. Document. Ah. Funny. For some reason Hannah thinks that frames will be with the rugs. Where'd she go? There she is. We can see you. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am? Ma'am? She hates me. Hey, hey! She disappeared. She tried to catch. She tried to sneak up.
I
on me.
was zooming. I was going so fast. That looks Swedish. Where the heck are
Hey, there's rugs. They probably got picture frames over there.
I don't know why I said that, but I felt like they would.
Bingo! Found it! I like that.
Yeah, me too. I like. No, I don't.
No, I like that.
Yeah, me too.
I don't know why. Oh, there it is again.
Yeah, twice.
Now we gotta find a frame that's the right size. I think we're gonna have to call this one.
That's an emergency exit.
Nope. Okay. That was definitely a fail because that's an emergency exit. Can't go that way. They're gonna have to call this one a no-go for the frame and storage.
It's a little overwhelming. Like, I feel like
Yeah.
unless you come in here with a plan,
Which we
you're
didn't
not-
have one.
Oh yeah, you're not gonna be able to be successful because there's just too much going on.
That's true. It's a
It
lot.
took us like a million years to even find where anything was.
Yeah, for like 100 years.
These are cool. These arrows.
Yeah, just need us to lead it to an exit. The biggest elevator in all the world. Go ahead.
Nope, I'm not done yet. Not yet. That's like a mile.
And she's back.
Like a 6-minute mile. Alright.
Gotta find the car. You know what? I think we're gonna find the car, and then instantly we'll be at Best Buy.
We're in Best Buy. Whoa. Is that it?
That's it.
That's the camera Hotch wants to get. It looks cool. Looks real professional. It's like a gun. Okay, now I want to see one. Look!
Really want it.
Oh, whoa. On sale even.
Yeah.
Holy. Kind of makes me want to throw up. Yeah, well.
Oh, my neck! Frickin' A!
That's what you get. Oh.
I'm gonna have Hannah drive. My car's not locked. I don't have my keys. Can you unlock the door?
What?
Can you unlock the door?
What? Oh.
Yeah, I decided I'm gonna make Hannah drive because where are we going? We're gonna get dinner at Chipotle. And we did it right. We ordered online and we're gonna skip the line. I didn't press the record button in time. That was too perfect. We got our food. I highly suggest anybody, if you're going to Chipotle, order online or on the app, you piss everybody off. Because you walk to the front, skip the line, get your food, you walk out. Everybody looks at you. They want to kill you, but it's great because you just go up, get your food, say thanks, have a good day, you too, bam!
They give you the mean mug.
I gave you the stank.
We're gone.
So,
it wasn't that close.
Hannah gets real intense when she drives. Guessed it. Get your grub on. Yeah.
Just supposed to buy the couch. What did you do?
To get the best deal, I had to buy the set.
Why did you buy extra things we don't need?
You shouldn't have to buy what you don't want. If you just want internet, choose Time Warner Cable's everyday low price internet, only $14.99.
We are home.
No
We are
extra
full.
cost to buy or long-term.
The 70th anniversary of D-Day. Watching a whole bunch of stuff on History Channel and Channel 4, all the D-Day stuff.
So emotional.
Yeah.
We were saying, what is it about old people crying that just makes you insta-tear?
Especially old soldiers.
Yes. Anytime they start talking and start choking up, I instantly am crying. They're so cute.
Insta tears. We'll go do something for you guys. I don't know what. What can we do? What can we do?
Too much pressure, I don't know.
Of course. Well, we'll go to the comic book shop, like always. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you can, hit the little like button, subscribe, comment, do everything you want to. Share us, I don't care. Like my playoff beard, it's coming in. It's a little itchy, but yeah. Yeah.
Go Kings, go!
See you guys later. Go Kings, go.